Powerful cleaning performance meets everyday convenience in machines designed to handle carpets, hard floors, and pet hair with ease. Best upright bagless vacuums deliver strong suction, easy maintenance, modern filtration systems, and reliable durability for efficient home cleaning results nationwide. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Bissell 2252 CleanView. The Bissell 2252 CleanView is a practical upright bagless vacuum designed with pet owners firmly in mind, combining dependable performance with purposeful features. Its multi-cyclonic cleaning system maintains consistent suction as the dirt tank fills, ensuring reliable pickup of pet hair, dust, and everyday debris across multiple surfaces. A swivel steering design significantly improves maneuverability, making it easier to clean around furniture, table legs, and tight corners without excessive effort. A standout feature is the triple-action brush roll, which loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair from carpets and rugs more effectively than standard brush designs. On hard floors, scatter-free technology helps prevent dry debris from being pushed outward, resulting in cleaner passes with fewer repeat strokes. Edge-to-edge cleaning further enhances performance by capturing hair and dirt along walls and baseboards where buildup commonly occurs. The built-in airflow indicator provides visual confirmation of optimal suction, adding confidence during use. Beyond performance, Bissell's support of the Bissell Pet Foundation adds meaningful value for pet lovers. Number 2. Shark LA502 Rotator. The Shark LA502 Rotator is a premium upright bagless vacuum engineered for powerful whole-home cleaning with particular strength in pet hair management. Its Duo-Clean Power Fins technology uses 2 brush rolls that maintain continuous contact with both carpets and hard floors, allowing deeper cleaning and improved debris pickup in a single pass. The self-cleaning brush roll is especially beneficial for pet owners, as it actively resists hair wrap, maintaining consistent performance without frequent manual maintenance. For added versatility, the lift-away detachable pod allows users to clean stairs, upholstery, and above floor areas with ease, extending its usefulness beyond standard floor care. The sealed HEPA filtration system with anti-allergen complete seal technology captures up to 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it a strong choice for allergy-sensitive households. Despite its robust suction power, the vacuum remains relatively lightweight, improving maneuverability during extended cleaning sessions. Number 3. Eureka FlexReach Plus. The Eureka FlexReach Plus upright vacuum is built to deliver intelligent, high-efficiency cleaning across large living spaces with minimal interruption. Its extra-long 30-foot power cord allows users to cover wide areas without frequently switching outlets, improving overall cleaning efficiency. Equipped with complete seal technology and a HEPA filtration system, it captures fine particles as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen and pet dander, helping maintain better indoor air quality. A key differentiator is the FloorSense plus React technology, which automatically detects carpet or hard flooring and adjusts suction power accordingly, ensuring deep cleaning without surface damage. With 192 air watts of suction, the FlexReach Plus effectively lifts embedded dust, pet hair, and larger debris from various surfaces. The anti-tangle brush roll is particularly valuable for homes with pets or long hair, reducing maintenance while preserving consistent airflow. Number 4. Amazon 720W Upright Bagless Vacuum. The Amazon 720W Upright Bagless Vacuum is designed for users seeking lightweight handling and straightforward functionality for routine home cleaning. Weighing only 8.4 pounds, it is easy to maneuver around rooms, furniture, and tight spaces, making it suitable for quick cleanups or extended sessions without excessive fatigue. The 25-foot power cord provides a reasonable reach for most living areas, reducing the need to frequently change outlets.
Its versatile cleaning capabilities are enhanced by included upholstery and crevice tools, allowing effective cleaning of furniture, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. A detachable handle further increases flexibility, making above-floor cleaning more convenient. The 1.7-liter dust cup offers ample capacity for everyday debris, minimizing interruptions during cleaning tasks, while the quick-release mechanism simplifies emptying and maintenance. While its design prioritizes simplicity over advanced technology, the Amazon 720W delivers dependable suction and ease of use.
Number 5. Eureka NEU182B Power Speed. The Eureka NEU182B Power Speed upright vacuum combines strong performance with a lightweight design, making it suitable for whole home cleaning without added complexity. Weighing approximately 10 pounds, it is easy to maneuver while still delivering powerful suction through its dynamic motor and brush roll system. The 12.6-inch wide cleaning path allows users to cover more floor area efficiently, reducing overall cleaning time. With 5 height adjustment settings, the vacuum transitions smoothly between carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors, while smooth rolling wheels help protect delicate surfaces from scratches. Its extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup supports longer cleaning sessions with fewer emptying interruptions, improving overall convenience. The included onboard accessories, such as the crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, expand its versatility for above-floor cleaning tasks like curtains, furniture, ceilings, and vehicle interiors. Designed to balance power, capacity, and ease of use, the Eureka NEU182B is a practical upright vacuum that delivers reliable cleaning performance for households seeking efficiency and flexibility in daily maintenance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.